demand for great bread around the country in larger, larger facilities such as hotels and food service that also wanted to be able to use great bread but didn't have the resources. Companies like Brea Bakery, or bread companies like Brea Bakery, were able to bake the bread for those larger facilities. So it's important, and especially if you're able to maintain the same process as we used when we were such a small, more cottage industry. It's an opportunity for bakeries in general to expand and have their own growth when they are able to reach more places in their neighborhoods.